Hello and welcome back again. So today we're going to be doing a bit of a potato reveal. We've got quite a few tubs of potatoes to be harvesting over the next couple of days for one of my local shows, which is in about 8 days time at the moment. So what I'm going to do is put each individual variety. Right then, so the first lot we're going to be harvesting are Maris Pipers, and these were shown on 14th of March, so I'm hoping we should get some decent ones out of these. We are looking for a dish of 4 white potatoes and a dish of 4 coloured potatoes, and then a dish of 3 different varieties. I do have about 6 varieties to go at, so if we can't find anything decent in any of these, we've got plenty to go at. So I'm not going to do them all in this video. I'm just going to do each variety and do separate videos on each variety and release them slowly. So first one's going to be Maris Piper. A couple of decent ones there.
Look at X mark.
Are these, Bob?
Big potato.
Yeah, put them in the bucket there carefully now.
I am. I see more potatoes.
Yeah, there's more in there.
Let's break it to pieces.
Can we stand on the side here? Now pull them out. You come over here.
I pulled them out.
Yeah.
Look, the one. You passed them to me.
You pick them out there. You pick them out there. Put them in here. So is what we're looking for
The little one.
is 4 potatoes of the same shape and size, and all to be nice and clean without any scab or any broken skins on them, which that's going to be
This one
quite hard to know. Put it in the pot then. Put it in the tray. Good boy.
I'm picking all.
So these were planted using a mixture of farmyard manure, my own homemade compost, and some clover.
No. It's thinking here.
And they've grown really well. They're nice clean potatoes. There's 2 seed potatoes in each tub.
Seed potato.
Yeah, Daddy put 2 seed potatoes in each bucket.
Let me see. Is this a seed potato?
That's the seed potato, yes. Put it in there. Although I've only found the one. These did die back quite a while ago, so I just pulled the tops out.
Yeah.
And I've had them all stacked over there. Watch out the way, Bob.
I wish there's some more.
No, there's no more in there now, I don't think. I think we've got them all out of this bucket. Oh, no, there's another one. There.
A little one.
Yeah, a little one. Oh, put it in the bucket, please.
Let me squirt it.
Good boy.
Look, I got some eggs. Just a little bit more.
Should we do another one?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Oh, a fly on me. It was a fly on me. Nice big one.
It was, yeah. Leave them in there, please. Don't start playing with them.
I'm moving them. In the PA
That's another decent one.
I'm moving them.
Right, leave them alone now, please. Bobby. Look, look.
A
Well.
potato.
And another one.
And
And another one. Yeah, we'll have these small ones for dinner. We'll keep the big ones to take with us to the show.
This one
Yeah.
is big. This one is me. This bigger like me.
Yeah,
This one the big one like me.
it is a big one.
This There's little ones to our dinner. Is that a little?
Yeah.
Is that
Yeah.
a big one?
Yep.
The big one.
Has that leaf been fluttering in front of the camera?
There's another one. That one, a bigger one.
Yeah, put it in the basket now.
Seen.
Put it in the basket now, Bobby. I don't want them getting damaged.
I've
We can.
seen that
Okay.
big before.
Oh, is that another one there?
Yes, not a seed one.
Not a seed one, no. Didn't find any of the seed ones in that.
There's no seed
You keep
one.
checking, see if there's any more in there.
What? Is something in here? I think I squeezed it.
Do one more of these, I think. Let's see if we can find some decent ones.
I found some. I seen that one, a big one.
Yeah, a big one, wasn't it?
round.
That was a big one, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was. Oh, I think I'm gonna win the show with these big ones.
I hope so.
Not with a small one.
I hope so. There's a seed potato.
Let me see it.
It's just an empty potato.
A seed.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna win a record.
Win a record?
Yeah.
Oh, that'd be something else.
A food show.
Yeah.
I was gonna win it tomorrow. I was gonna win it tomorrow. This looking big one I never seen before.
Oh. Right, put them in there now.
I am.
Do you want to run and check on your brother,
Not yet.
please?
Okay.
Good boy.
This is a potato.
Is it?
There's nothing inside.
Okay. Sit in there then. Oh,
You must put
right,
a wheel
Bobby,
to
can you
it.
come and stand over here, please?
I'm gonna take my brother's chair.
Okay, good boy. Well, from 3 30-litre containers, so far I think that's quite a good harvest. Not seeing anything too great at the moment, but I'll give them all a good wash. Shall we do one more tab? I've got one more tab of these. Shall we do that one?
Yeah, think so.
You think so?
Think it's not really no more. Oh, there are big ones.
Maybe. Hopefully.
Is that just a little one?
Right then, so this is tub number 4
This is
of
a
the
big one.
Maris Pipers. I'll do this one and then we'll get them washed up and have a look, see what we got. Bobby, don't do that please. We're definitely getting a decent harvest from them and we won't be short of potatoes for the next few weeks, that's for sure.
I see more.
There's lots of potatoes there, isn't there?
Yeah, all of them.
Hey, done good, haven't we?
Let me see more.
I am seeing quite a few with a bit of scab on them.
I don't want it.
What, put it in the pot then.
Careful.
But the majority of them
Yeah.
seem absolutely fine. The scab makes no difference
Oh, a big
to
one's my
using them
way.
for eating anyway, 'cause we peel majority of our potatoes and it does just scrape off anyway. But I'm pretty sure we can find 3 or 4 of the same shape and size in here. Right, Bobby, stop being silly now, please.
I don't
Look.
want.
Right, put it in the pot then. There's another one there.
It's best
And
green
another
and
one.
yellow. It's best green and yellow. This one won't win the race.
No,
This one.
that one won't win because it's got green on it, yeah?
And yellow.
And yellow, okay.
Explode it
Okay.
in the grass.
Oh, don't do that, because we'll have potatoes growing in the grass now.
I picked it off the grass.
Thank you. And I wonder why there's potatoes growing absolutely everywhere here.
Let me put it in the bin.
There's a,
I'm gonna
that
put
one's gone bad.
I just give a potato to Sassy.
Why?
Sassy won't take.
I know. She keeps digging them up. She's naughty.
Yeah, I'm good at digging them up too.
Yeah, you're good at digging them up. Safi digs them up when she's not supposed to.
I don't.
Although saying that, you dig them up when you're not supposed to as well, don't you? So, out of 4 30-litre containers, that is a really nice harvest. I think I'll give them a quick wash and see if I can find 4 of the same
Stop it, Win.
shape and size.
Stop it, Win.
Scrap on it.
I say stop it, Win. Stop it, Win.
Yeah, we want the wind to stop, don't we? Right then guys, that's going to be it for this potato reveal today. So we've harvested 4 30-litre containers, all Maris Piper, all with 2 seed potatoes in, using my own homemade compost and some clover with added fertilisers. There are a lot of these with a little bit of scab on them, some of them quite bad to be honest, but there are a lot of nice clean ones in here. So we should be able to pick out 4 of the same shape and size, but if I can't find 4 in good condition in these, we do have plenty more to choose from, and there will be quite a few potato reveal videos coming up over the next few days. So just like to say massive thank you to everyone for watching. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe and drop me a comment below. Let me know what potatoes you're growing this year. Bye for now.